Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Is there room in the movement for other persons who are indirectly serving Krishna rather than chanting?
No, the process is just like if you pour water on the root of the tree, the water is distributed to the leaf, branches, twigs, and they remain fresh. But if you water on the leaf only, the leaf will also dry and the tree will be also dry. If you put your foodstuff on the stomach, then the energy will be distributed to your finger, to your hairs, to your nails and everywhere. And if you take foodstuff in the hand and do not put in the stomach, it will be useless waste. So all this humanitarian service has been wasted because there is no Krishna consciousness. They are trying in so many ways to serve the human society, but they are all being frustrated and useless attempts because there is no Krishna consciousness. And if people are trained to become Krishna conscious, then automatically everyone will be happy. Anyone who will join, anyone who will hear, anyone who will cooperate, everyone will be happy. So our process is natural process. You love God, and if you actually expert in loving God, naturally you love everyone. Just like Krishna conscious person, because he loves God, he loves the animals also. He loves birds, beasts, everyone. But so-called humanitarian love means they're loving some human being, but the animals have been killed. Why they do not love the animals? Because imperfect. But a Krishna conscious person will never kill an animal or give trouble to animal even. That is universal love. If you love only your brother and sister, that is not universal love. Universal love means you love everyone. And that universal love can be developed by Krishna consciousness, not by otherwise.
I know some of the devotees have had to sever relationships, so to speak, with their material world parents, and it gives them some degree of grief because their parents don't understand. And what do you tell them to kind
Well,
of make this easier?
a boy who is in Krishna consciousness, he is giving the best service to his parents, families, countrymen, society. Without being Krishna conscious, what service they are giving to their parents? Mostly they are separated. But as Prahlad Maharaj was a great devotee and his father was a great non-devotee, so much so that his father was killed by Nrsingadev. But Prahlad Maharaj, when he was ordered by the Lord to take some benediction, he said that I am not a merchant, sir, that by giving you some service I will take some return. Please excuse me. Nrsingadev was very much satisfied. Here is a pure devotee. But the same pure devotee requested the Lord, my Lord, my father was atheist and he has committed so many offences. So I beg that my father may be liberated. And Nrsingadev said Your father is already liberated because you are his son. In spite of all his offences, he is liberated because you are his son. Not only your father, but your father's father, his father are to serve the generation. They are all liberated. So if a Vaishnava appears in a family, he liberates not only his father, but his father, his father, his father in that. So that is the best service to the family, to become Krishna conscious. Actually it has happened. One of my students, Kartikeya, his mother was so much fond of society that usually when he wanted to see his mother, mother said, sit down, I am going to the dancing party. That was the relationship. Still, because this boy is Krishna conscious, he was talking of Krishna to his mother many times. At the time of death, the mother asked the son, where is your Krishna? He is here. And immediately she died. That means at the time of death she remembered Krishna and immediately she was delivered. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Jang jang bhapi smaran loke tajattanti kalevaram. At the time of death, if one remembers Krishna, then life is successful. So this mother, on account of this son, Krishna consciousness son, she got liberated without actually coming into Krishna consciousness. So this is the benefit.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,